Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina nguMapholo bakufuza ufulela mashiya amahlanga azoshumayela iqadi unyuso. Silana ke eclub hem namhlanje ekhali Mamelodi Sundowns Development. I'm joined by uNhlanhla wakaMadlala. Uzozintroduce yena ke kunina babukeli bethu. Welcome to the show, Coach Nhlanhla. Please introduce yourself to the show.
This is Nhlanhla Madlala. I'm coming from KZN Empangeni.
Ucoach Nhlanhla wakaMadlala ubuya eKZN Empangeni. Khona ngakushongo ke babukeli bethu ubuya esikhawini. Coach Nhlanhla, please awusitshele ijourney yakhe iqala kuphi wena njengomqeqeshi?
Yeah, it's a long story kwenzo. Anyway ngiqala esikhawini ushilo uthi ngisuke esikhawini Empangeni. Ngifike la eJohannesburg 2021
after
COVID-19 ngizosebenza ngebhola. Yeah, anyway I'm basically grassroots mina. Yeah, so i-grassroots yami ngiqale ku-Stones Academy where lapho izinto zami zingahambanga kahle, and then I moved to i-Prestige Academy. Mangifika kwi-Prestige Academy, and then I start coaching under 15 for a half season after COVID-19 because izinto bengakabuyeli kahle ebholeni, and then I coached the team leyo afika esigabeni sokuthi kune tournament omele soyidlala sadlala eRandburg lapha ngawin tournament, and then waphela unyaka nje sasesibuya kahle 2022 base bengilungisela kahle into zami bathi ngihambe ngiyocoach under 13, and then I started coaching under 13, and then under 13 wami hayi izinto zami zamele way ngifisa ngakhona. Like support ibiningi kakhulu, people from outside, inside, they were supporting me, behind me, giving me the ideas and listening to them. So konke ngingasho ukuthi nje kuhambele kahle because I saw myself developing the players. Bahamba baya kuma teams engabala ngaba iChiefs, one of the players is playing there, another players abaya kuHighlands Park, even is not something engakanani kodwa I'm proud ngalokho. Ngaqhubeka ke nge-league yami ngawina i-league, was my first season 2022 ukuwina, and then we get promoted 2023, and then when we get promoted and then we move under 13 again as a coach, but as an assistant coach because there's coaches abafika bathatha over, and then I sit at the back assisting and learning from them. Season yethu ayibanga kahle kodwa lapho sithole singenzi kahle season yethu oqala ku-Stream A kwangahamba kahle, kodwa into engiproud ngayo mina individually ngifunde okuningi kulo league le besidlala around the coaches at the coach from under 13 to under 19. Yeah, so nje kuningi ngikufundile khona engasho ukuthi I'm proud ngakho because nami mangizibona ngikwenza njengamanje ngoba siku 2025 ngicoach Stream B futhi under 14 because i-division under 13 bayibulalile yaba division under 14, so I'm still coaching under 14. So kuningi ade ngikubonile previous league and then previous years ngakusebenzisa njengamanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu. Ucoach Nhlanhla wakaMadlala ubuya Empangeni esikhawini. Ucoache kakhulu under 13 eyayishisa kakhulu 2022 ku-Stream B bawina i-league without a draw, without a lose, edlala ngabadlali abafana naboXoli oDaimani, edlala ngabonjabula bokanti. Coach Madlala, umsebenzi owenzile muhle kakhulu. Awusitshele yini ongayifundisa abantwana basemakhaya because inhloso yalo lihlelo lethu ukufundisa abazali nabantwana basemakhaya about i-development football. Yini wena ongathi uyitshela abantwana basemakhaya ukuthi wena njengocoach, one of the coaches abayodlala ku-Stream A next year, othi wena uyilindele kumdlali uma umthatha ukuthi azodlala iPrestige?
Yeah, kuningi kwenzo, but engingakusho nje ukubili. Uma uze eJohannesburg yazi ukuthi uzele ini. Okwesibili ufocus ibhola eJohannesburg is not about ibhola kuphela. Inemfundo is very important. Ukwazi ukubalansisa lezi zinto zowu-2 lezo uyasithola usendleleni eright, unga-aid ezinye izinto unnecessary.
Ibhola imfundo,
ibhola imfundo is very important. Sikhona i-spotlight, ave siningi kakhulu i-spotlight lana. Uma ufuna ukuzi-expose ngendlela e-right uyawathola amathuba okuya phambili. Maningi ama-team they are hungry, they are looking for the new talent. So nje uma ufika la eJohannesburg yazi ukuthi uzeleni, ufocus and respect ihamba phambili phela lokho. Respect people around you, respect the coaches, respect your parents, respect everyone, be humble.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu. Useshilo uCoach Madlala ukuthi inhlonipho ibaluleke kakhulu. Respect the coaches, respect your fellow players, respect everyone around you. Coach Madlala, mawubuka i-development yase South Africa as a whole, do you think are we making justice to ibhola lethu? I know there are so many positives. Ngibala bo Rele Mfukengi, ngibala bo Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Mduduzi Shabalala, Mfundo Vilakazi. Currently under 17 years is doing very well in a 4 points kuma group stages World Cup. Mawubuka wena South Africa, we're doing justice to development football.
Yeah, i-justice ikhona because nathi masibuka into eyenzeka le ku Betway Premier League siyabona ukuthi no coach they don't afraid ukudlala abantwana abancane and they change the game the way it's not expecting ngakhona.
Yeah.
So I think that is very important kwi grassroots ukuthi sik-emphasize lokho sikwenze kakhulu kunabo because thina there's nothing to lose but you are developing. There's something abayiluzayo
baluza ama-career
baluza yonke into. So I believe ukuthi i-justice ikhona ebholeni.
Siyabonga kakhulu seshilo coach Mandlala. Development football yase South Africa is making justice ebholeni lase South Africa. Njobesho ukuthi bona njenge grassroots ibona abantu abenza umsebenzi obaluleke kakhulu ngoba umntwana kumele afike lapha ku Betway Premiership esevuthiwe eseready. Coach Mandlala yini ke ongathi wena uyitshela abazali because abazali nabo babalulekile especially wena ucoach ama under 14 you need the consent yomzali every time. So yini ongathi uyifundisa abazali emakhaya about the development yomntwana ebholeni?
Yeah, parents, please let's support these kids, ne? But the downfall of SBS is to coach them. Don't coach them, but support them. True. Let the coach do the work and support the coach and support the kids. I think lokho kubaluleke kakhulu ngoba if umntwana ezofika athole i-coaching different ekhaya ilapha afika khona egrawundini engasazi ukuthi kumele enze njani akhohle nokuthi kwenze kuphi kahle kahle. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iside lo coach abazali abathi kuma kancane kulona be support
bayeke lo coach bakho
bayeke lo coach be coach ibhola be support abantwana abazoyenza into abafuna ukuyenza egrawundini.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu seshilo coach Mandlala bazali thina asupporteni abantwana bethu. Sike saba nomzali who was a PSL player uManqoba Shakespeare. Naye he emphasized indaba yokusupporta abantwana kodwa singabakhetheli abantwana thina okwethu ukuthi sibasupporte sibaseke sibalandele ngemuva bese siyeke lo coach benza umsebenzi wabo. Coach Mandlala babukeli bethu ubuya asebenze ngaphansi kwePitso Mosimane Foundation asebenze isikole seCosmos City iCuro eMeridian eseCosmos City. Coach Mandlala is a very good coach. Siyabonga kakhulu coach Mandlala ngokuthi ube nathi ohlelweni. Babukeli bethu ningakhohlwa follow us on TikTok, subscribe on YouTube. We are Let's Talk Development Football. Thank you coach Mandlala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.